Hi guys, welcome to SA Kicks and Reviews. Today we're going to be reviewing the Arthur Ford Superior No. 17 perfume. Now Arthur Ford is known for its long-lasting smell, up to 6 to 12 hours, and we're going to do a fragrance test on this Arthur Ford perfume for you guys so that we could smell exactly how good it is. Now you see the bottle at the back has a serial number code. Underneath it says Arthur Ford 17. So this is what an original bottle of Arthur Ford perfume would look like. Let's do a fragrance test. We remove the cap and now let's spray it. Wow, that's a beautiful smell, guys. Absolutely elegant. I can see why it's long lasting. I smell it's very woody. It has a floral smell to it. It's citrusy, spicy. It has that fragrance that's strong with herbal elements. It will definitely smell great. I think this type of perfume can be used in the day or night. A definite perfume that you guys should get.